Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chidi here. What's up? How is everyone doing? I am here for my workout. Okay, so I'm here with my group members. Okay, for evening workouts. I know I've told you guys that I work out like 2 or 3 times a week, and I just wanted to take you guys along and show you guys what we do. You know, it's just an outdoor workout, so in case you are interested, keep watching. And guys, subscribe if you haven't, and keep on watching and watch my videos from the start to the end. Guys, I will see you guys over there. Okay, we skip guys for warm-up. I mean, who skips for warm-up? Skipping is an exercise on its own, and you are supposed to skip 300 times, guys. Crazy, right? I just realized I didn't add the first part of the stretch, but yeah, I'll get it right. It's just stretch, like nothing more to it. I think over here I was even confused, guys. And now we begin. It looks so easy, guys, but honestly, it's really not that easy. Not that difficult either, but it's not so easy. And you are meant to, you know, repeat each set 20 times and start again. Guys, it was a lot, but we pulled through, and yeah. Yeah, so you can do this at home, just outside of your house, or even inside if you have enough space. Okay, it's easy and doable. Yeah, and you don't really need any equipment to do all this, just your mat and you're good to go. At this point we were tired. Hey guys, so I'm home and I just remembered that I didn't sign out. Guys, I was so exhausted that I forgot to sign out, and I am home. So guys, thank you so much for watching. You don't want to know, I am exhausted. Really, I am. Thank you so much, guys. And if you love video like this, please let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up and share my videos, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment below, I want to know your thoughts. And thank you so much. I want to go and shower. Guys, I am tired. We did that about, I think we did that about 3 times. Okay, guys, I am exhausted. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.